Hi, I'm Michael Wiley, and today I'd like to show you how we went from this ordinary bedroom to this wonderful 3D wall build, all for less than 200 bucks. Okay, so first we had to deconstruct the old room, obviously. You can't make a masterpiece before you make a mess. After we got everything out of the way, I laid down a row of the 3D panels so that I would know just how to position them. And make sure they're centered. The space you'll have to work with will be a bit different according to what you want. So use your own judgment according to what you need, and also be mindful that the space that you measure out allows for the pattern of the panels to be fully displayed without any weird cutoffs. Limited only by your imagination at this point. Next, I built the frame for the wall facade before putting it up. It's a simple process that I start by building the frame to the dimensions of the space that I'm working with, and then framing it up like you would any other wall. Make the studs about 16 inches apart so that the sheetrock can be securely fastened to it with sheetrock screws. Okay, now that we've got the frame built, push it into place to make sure that our measurements are correct, because many rooms will have minor imperfections that you can't detect with the naked eye. So the measurement I made for the sides and the top allow for me to hide the edges, and that's going to give the wall a seamless and unbroken look throughout the entire thing. So it's not exactly on the edges, but slightly overlaps it so that the lights that we're going to install later will have something to hit off of. Now I take it back down because it's time to put the brackets into place, and these will hold the light strip on the back of the facade. So even though the LED light strip does have adhesive on the back of it, you'll want to make sure that these brackets are about 16 to 18 inches apart to hold it in place firmly. And now we push the facade back into place for the final time and secure it. This one was kind of weird for me because of all the trim that we had to deal with, but I think we managed pretty well. And we want to make sure that we don't push it all the way against the wall. I set mine off about 2 inches because it gives the light from the strips room for diffusion, which basically means it'll spread more evenly to reduce glare and harsh shadows. If you want to, you can install the light strip before you push the facade back into place, but it doesn't really matter. It just really boils down to whatever you think is easier. Now we put our sheetrock into place and use a bit of corner tape, some plaster, and some sanding to make everything nice and smooth, the way I'm sure you like your walls to turn out too. And lastly, of course, the only thing I needed to do was paint it and put up some trim. Me personally, I like a lot of contrast in my projects, but it's yours. Make of it what you will. Just have some fun with it. Now, the lights themselves can be controlled by an app on your phone, or you can control them through a remote control that comes with them in the package. Now, while all that is actually pretty good, we went a step further and hooked ours up to an Amazon Alexa, making it voice activated, and that popped pretty good. You're only limited in your imagination on this project. So with all that being said, we were still able to stay up under the target budget of $200. And little projects like this really do add some wow factor and some pizzazz and stuff to your home. But not only that, but they do tend to add some more value. So most of the projects and stuff that I'll be doing are to show you how to do that, but also about investing, because the name of the game when you're flipping homes is making money, turning a profit. So I hope you'll join me in the future for more projects like these, where I show you how to do cool stuff on the cheap. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification button so you can tune in whenever we're doing this. And with that being said, I'll see you next time. What's up, it's Mike here, and I want to borrow a quick second of your time. Now, it's no secret that I like making cool stuff and teaching you guys how to beautify where you live at. But I do run a business that affords me the opportunity to do that each day without having to worry about going to work and all sorts of things like that. And if you're watching this video, 9 times out of 10, you're probably working a job that you wish you could quit and wish you had more money in your pocket. That's okay. So if you want to learn how to take a small amount of your money and translate that into thousands of dollars for yourself each month, then I've put together a free training, and I've put a link down in the description. It's going to take you to a landing page where you can learn more about what I'm talking about. I've put together some free products that I think are going to benefit you a lot, and it's really going to change your life. So if you're interested, click the link below and I'll see you there. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.